Hey folks, I'm here today at Bojangles. Alabama is blessed to have a number of great chicken places, and here in Florence there's fried chicken everywhere. Of course, you know fried chicken's a southern thing, but I'm here today to see what Alabama hot sauce has got for Bojangles chicken. So we're going to try an update on a video I made a year ago on my hot honey. Come on into place and let's see what happens. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com. Today I am at Bojangles in the shopping center in Florence, Alabama. And Bojangles has absolutely fabulous chicken. I've had a number of people saying they wanted to update since I have slightly altered the formula since the video I made last year on my hot and my extra hot honey. So I thought there's no better place to come than Bojangles. Now, for those of you that don't know, Bojangles chicken is the rave here in Florence, Alabama, and all through the South. I don't know how it is where you live, but here people are absolutely nuts about it. So what I have today is I have the two hot sauces or hot vinegars that I have on my website. This one is the regular hot vinegar. It has some heat to it, but to be honest with you, it does not have enough heat that anybody will object to it. This is the super hot vinegar, honey. This one, to be honest with you, is going to hit you a little bit. So anyway, we're going to pour it on this wonderful Bojangles chicken and go in for the bite. So what I have here today is my regular hot honey. This is pure honey with a little bit of capsaicin oil in it. It has some heat, but it's not enough heat that anyone will object to. Now, this honey is my blazing hot honey. This has a lot of capsaicin in, and to be honest with you, if you're not a real pepperhead, you're probably going to object to this one. But I'm going to try both of them because everybody we've shipped these to absolutely loves them. Now, this is the second video I've made on hot honey. I made one about a year ago down at Jack's restaurant where I tested my first recipe of hot honey. It was delicious, but it was too hot for most folks and not quite hot enough for the real people that want real heat. So I decided to make two different versions. I'm going to start today with the standard fire honey. And what I've got here, I got a beautiful Jack's boneless chicken tender here. And I'm going to dip in and give it a twirl. Oh, look at that beautiful honey on this chicken. Absolutely a sight. One of my goals in my second recipe was to make sure that my hot honey was the actual consistency of honey. Most of them on the market are much thinner and they have a much, much higher water content because of water that comes out of the peppers or whatever they use to fire the honey, okay? Mine does not. I developed a capsaicin oil specialty item that is made for items like this, so the only thing that goes in it is the oil from pure capsaicin, and I will link to it right over here so you can go visit that video. So we got this wonderful Bojangles chicken drenched in my regular hot honey, and we're going to go in for the bite. That is very nice. To be honest with you, Bojangles chicken don't need anything put on it, but if you like a little heat, you like a little honey, mine's the way to go. This chicken is so crispy. The Bojangles crust is unique. They spice it really, really well. And when we talk about people that commercially know how to make chicken, Bojangles has got to be up there in the top 2 or 3 in the country. But this chicken is absolutely wonderful. You clearly taste the taste of honey, which is a little bit subdued when you put it on fried chicken. I think that's due to the oils and the great taste of the chicken. It has a touch of heat. It's kind of in the back of my mouth. It's not too hot. I don't think anyone would object to this hot honey. It's about the perfect temperature. Now, I'm going to open the excessively hot Alabama hot sauce honey. This stuff is the real deal. It's intended for pepperheads. I think pepperheads should only buy it because it is very, very hot. So we're going to give it a try. So I take this hot honey and I drip it on this wonderful chicken. And let's go for the first bite. Holy smoke, this is hot. This honey lives up to his name. It is super hot. With this super hot honey, the honey taste is almost not there. I mean, clearly I taste it, but it is overwhelmed and overcome by the heat and the taste of these wonderful chicken, boneless chicken strips. This is unbelievable. Wow. Folks, there you have it. I've tasted my regular hot honey. I've tasted my extremely hot honey. They both look very good to me. The hot honey has a little tinge of heat. The extremely hot honey has more. And I think you will sense it as having more. A week ago, I made a video on me trying my creamed honeys. I have both an original with no heat and a hot version on biscuits. But I can't go without eating Bojangles buttered biscuits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how these babies do on buttered biscuits. Now, those of you not putting honey on your buttered biscuits just do not know what you're missing. This stuff is absolutely delicious. I'm going for the super hot because I really want to enjoy this biscuit. Oh, me. Best biscuits I've eaten this year. And I've eaten them at many places, including the biscuits I make at home. They got some biscuit making fairy back there in the back at Bojangles is turning out some premium biscuits. I got 2 instructions for y'all. You need to order your favorite, either mild or very hot Alabama hot sauce honey. And you need to spin through that Bojangles drive-through line and get you some buttered biscuits, because I'm telling you, this stuff is the ticket. Let's see how the regular tastes. Keep it. All right, I got the regular honey here. And we're gonna drizzle a little bit of it on this biscuit. By the way, folks, take a look at this. This is absolutely amazing. If you're really hungry, just take that buttered biscuit and split it apart. They've already cut it for you. Eat honey on half and honey on the other half. All right, here we go. This is just too good. I sense very little heat in that regular hot honey, but gotta remember, I'm a little bit of a pepperhead. I typically eat much hotter than that. Now, when you sit down and have a good spicy meal, there's something else you gotta do if you're out and about. You gotta get Bo's iced tea. As you know, all us Southerners love our iced tea. Bo's is delicious, and I'm gonna take a little sip here. Man, they know something about making iced tea. Well, folks, there we are. That's Alabama hot sauce, regular heat, hot honey, and the extraordinarily hot honey. Tested on the best biscuits and chicken you can buy. I'm gonna give both of them a thumbs up. First, I'm gonna give a thumbs up to Bojangles for these fabulous chicken and biscuits. Then I'm gonna give a thumbs up to myself for coming up with these two great recipes for hot honey. So there you go, folks. Alabama hot sauce at Bojangles. I want to thank you very, very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. I keep new videos coming out all the time. And again, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Hey man, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yo, you eat now, huh?
Yeah.
I was gonna get you to take a taste of this hot honey.
That's all right.
You don't like hot stuff?
I ain't too fond of it.
Well, I had to try this with nothing on it. Dang, it's good. I can't say enough good things about Bojangles. Damn, that's good. Bo knows chicken. Thank you for watching this Alabama hot sauce video. I'd appreciate it if you click the logo on the screen and subscribe to my channel. While you're here, I've made a couple of video suggestions I think you'll enjoy. Click those and take a look. Once again, folks, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.